All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tuesday, the 22nd day of April, 2014. My volume is very low. Hey, what if I put my mic right up next to my mouth like that?
Yeah, I'm noticing your volume is low too.
Okay. Well, I will try to talk louder for this. I'm plugged into a different USB port right now than I normally am. That's probably the problem, but
Oh, is that what's throwing my end off too?
it could be. If you're plugged into a different port, I know that changes things. Yeah, with my microphone especially, because my mic is really sensitive. But I'll do this. I'll do the recap, and I'll just talk louder, and hopefully it'll be okay. All right. So today, guys, the results of today: we were plus 18 ticks in soybeans. We were plus 6 ticks in the Russell, plus 3 ticks in natural gas, plus 3 ticks in crude oil, and we lost 8 ticks in gold. It took us 14 minutes and 2 trades to get to our goal for the day of $100 a contract, and we took a total of 14 trades today. I just got your text message a minute ago. I mean, from whenever you sent it, Dwayne.
Heard what he said. We have nothing to draw with. The well is deep. Where can you get the slipping water? Are you
Okay.
greater than our Father?
That's going to be talking over me, Dwayne.
Yeah, that was the radio playing in the background because I finally just got it to reboot so that you want to take it from the top.
Okay. Well, I'm in the middle of recording right now.
All right, go ahead and finish it up.
Let me just finish. Let me just finish it up. Let me just finish this up, and then we can start the whole thing from the top.
Well, no, I mean don't rush through it. Just go ahead and just do the full recap.
Okay. All right.
All right.
So on the month of April, sorry guys, we've been having technical difficulties in the month of April. It seems like the month of April, we are up $5,617.50 a contract. That is the gross number. The net number, if you had an $8 commission, which nobody should, but if you do have an $8 commission, the net number would be $4,129.50 a contract. And if you have a $5 commission, which is probably a little closer to where everybody is, your net number would be $4,687.50 a contract. All right, $46.87.50. Pretty good stuff. That's one contract, trading the markets we trade in the 2 hours of the live trading room each day. Okay. Let's see. I want to next show you how to take the free trial. If you have not taken a free trial with us, well, then heck, you need to go and take our free trial. Hang on, I'm loading the page, and I'll slide it over here for you. Here it is. If you have not taken the free trial with us, just go to CFRN.net on the home page in the right-hand column. Just put in your name, your name and your email address, and click register for a free trial. Once you've done that, once you've registered for the free trial, then you will be sent a link, a confirmation link in your email. Okay, when you click on that confirmation link in your email, the email address that you put in here, so don't put a bogus one in because you'll never get the link. That's when we know that you've signed up for the free trial. Once we know, then we'll send you a whole bunch of information about how to take the free trial, how to get into the live trading room, how to download the charting platform, how to download the indicators, how to set up a workspace in Ninja or set up a workspace in DT Pro, and all that stuff. Okay, so you got to make sure you hit that confirmation email. Okay. That's it. That's how you get in there.
Can you see the pop-up at the bottom of your screen there? Could you see that?
This thing right here, should Justin Bieber be deported?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that. Why is that suddenly coming up?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Yeah, I don't know why that is there.
I have no opinion on the matter, so.
I don't know. It's kind of a silly pop-up. But anyway, back to the markets. The markets, that's what we're about. We're going to start off with crude oil. All right, today in crude, let's see what we did in crude today. In crude, we had a few trades in crude. We didn't make a whole bunch of money, but we had a few trades. Yeah, that's what we had, 4 trades. Crude had some pretty good movement here in the pre-market. See this move down right here in the pre-market, and then once we got into it, it was working its way down to the weekly trading zone. Our first trade here on crude was right here. This is how we got our goal for the day here, was crude. 2 trades in crude. Our first one we got short right here on the down close below the trend line, and we took 5 ticks profit on that. And the next one was a down close off the BBC right here, and we took 5 ticks profit on that. That got us to our 10 ticks, or $100 per contract, in 14 minutes, I guess. You can see it went right down to the weekly trading zone, bounced off it, and moved up pretty well. Over here on the way up, there were some trades in here that we missed. I think there was an up close right here that we missed. That probably would have stopped us out had we taken it. There was an up close, well, a momentum trade right in here that we missed. We did take this up close right here, and it did stop us out. And then we got over here, a down close off the BBC, and we ended up taking just a little bit of profit on that, I guess. Yeah, we took 1 tick profit on that. We took 1 tick profit on that, and you can see it really dropped right down into the weekly trading zone. We ended up not taking any more trades in crude oil this morning after that. Okay, there was during the break an opportunity right in here. This down close right here was a nice move down, and it's setting up over here right now again. But I don't like the way that the cycle is coming together right here. Okay, I don't like the way that the cycle is right there. So I am not going to look to trade the crude right there. We ended the morning plus 3 ticks on crude oil. All right, we were plus 5, then plus 10, then we lost a trade, we were plus 2, and then we got 1 tick profit on 1 trade and put us at plus 3. All right, now the Russell. We had a few trades on the Russell, and we'll get into those here in just a minute. All right, the Russell started out right here inside the weekly trading zone. Okay. And it went back and forth up and down in the zone right here, and the ES was also going back and forth in and out of the zone. So we didn't really do anything to it until they both got up above the zone. Right in here we took a long trade, and we took, on the first trade, we took 1 tick profit. On the next trade, we took 5 ticks profit. Okay, so that put us at plus 6 ticks on the Russell right there. The next opportunity was over here. We missed a trade right there. Okay, we missed that one, and we missed that one. Going up into the weekly trading zone. I believe I was saying over here that it's going to get up to the zone, and the ES was the one that was really moving up to the zone. 74 was the zone on the ES. I'll get to that in just a few minutes. Once it got up here, I was saying I wanted to see it close down below this level before we shorted it, and it finally did close right there below that level, and it dropped without giving us an opportunity to enter until down here. We had missed this opportunity down here. Okay, we missed that shot right there. We took this one, and we ended up getting out at break even on that. All right, this was a down close below the trend line. Okay, because off the BBC right here, the cycle was blue. So we took the one right here, and we ended up getting out at break even. Again, it changed directions, and it started moving up, and we were done trading it. 11:30 ended our morning session right in here. All right, where it was a little bit choppy. It changed directions, gave a shorting opportunity right here down toward the zone, but not into the zone. And then it changed directions again, and it hasn't really given anything yet. It's about to give a long opportunity, but it's not quite there yet. Okay? That was that for that. Okay. All right. The next market is gold. Okay, the next market that we traded is gold. Sorry, I had to just tell my son to leave me alone. Let's see, in gold had a big move down here after the morning session. Huge move down right here. There was 1 momentum trade right here to get into that. Okay, 1 momentum trade right there to get into that. Those of you guys that went to the seminar might see something in there, but where you could have got into it way up here. Anyway, sorry about that reference to the seminar. We're going to have another one. We are. Let's see, the down close right here. This was the first trade that we took on gold. It was a down close right here. It moved and closed down below the MA1. We moved our stop to break even, and it came back and took us out at break even. The next opportunity on gold was a down close below the trend line right here. I missed that one. Again, those of you that, never mind, I'm not going to say it. There was an opportunity right there to get short. Okay, and let's see. Right over here, we took a down close below the trend line right here, guys. And when we got that down close below the trend line, I should have moved my stop to break even once it had 4 ticks profit in the trade, but I didn't, and it stopped me out -8 ticks. Okay. The next opportunity was right here, bounce off the BBC, and that moved up pretty nicely. And that was it on the gold for us this morning, guys. That was all we had on the gold. All right. We ended the gold -8 ticks. -8 ticks on the gold. Okay. Let's see, the next market. Well, right now, in this move up right here, gold had a long trade right here. And again, right there. Okay, and that move up. Currently, we are not long gold. Soybeans.
We can barely hear you, Mike.
Okay, soybeans. Soybeans is the next market. I'll try to talk louder again. Is this okay? Is this better? Can you hear me now when I talk like this? Yes?
Yeah, that was perfect, right?
Okay. All right, I gotta actually hold the microphone up to my mouth. In the soybeans, guys, we made our money in the soybeans today. Today was a good day for the beans. Our very first trade on the soybeans was right here. It was a break-even trade. We got short right here, and we ended up getting a break-even trade right over here. Once we closed down below the MA1 right here, it pulled back up and hit us at break-even. We shorted it again right here. We got short right there, and we took 8 ticks profit on that first trade. We shorted it again here, and we took 6 more ticks profit on this one. And we shorted it again right here, and we took 4 ticks profit on that one. Okay. Since then, it's turned around and pretty much gone sideways. It's flattened out. It's got bullish divergence and trading below the BBC right here. That suggests that the cycle is going to reset. So what I would look for now is a bigger move down and some more shorting opportunity. That's what I would look for. It did have one little long trade that triggered right here that went about 6 ticks, it looks like. But that was after the live trading. So we did not get into that. Okay. That was it on the soybeans. Now the ES. We didn't trade the ES, but we did point out on the ES, one long trade right over here. The up close of this white bar right here is 71.25. And I said it's going to get up here to 74, and it did. It got up there. That was the one trade. That was the one trade. Okay. That was the one trade right there. It didn't take any more trades here, and right now we have bearish divergence, and we're trading above the BBC and above the weekly trading zone. So that suggests that the cycle needs to reset here. Okay. There's a long way between this zone and the next zone up above. So, if it starts moving up here, we could have a big move on our hands. And that's what should happen. We should get a big move up to bring the cycle up and then give us some more long opportunities. Okay. Natural gas today, what did we get? 3 ticks on natural gas. We took one trade on natural gas. It was right here. This up close above the trend line right here. We took that one, and we got 3 ticks profit. That was it on the natural gas. Okay. Let's see. That's it, guys. That's all we had. Now, yeah, that's all we had. So let me show you guys how to get into the next. How to take the free trial. If you have not taken the free trial, I'll show you how to take the free trial. Okay, I'll do that, and then we can head back to Phoenix because we're not ready to go out to Vegas yet.
Did you see Mike R's question there?
I did. Well, which one? He's become a partner, but he's in the UK. He wasn't able to make the seminar. Is there a definitive list of training examples on the website? There's a great deal of community workshop material, but I'm unsure which ones to watch. Mike, I would say there was an email that was sent to you with some specific ones to look at. 93, probably 138, 128. Look at those, and then not last week's, the week before, I think 2 or 3 weeks ago, we went through a whole bunch of information. And I can send you a little something else too. Since you're a partner, I'll send you a link to the 137B information. Okay. Do I recommend?
Yeah, and It looks to me like, Mike, that you're just logging into that one page on training videos, but you need to go into the actual members area of the website.
Yeah, Mike, it was the one when you became a partner. It said, "Welcome to the CFRN Trading Training Group." That one. Okay. It's got information right in it. All right. So
We can cover it in detail also with you. We can go into some more detail Thursday night, or
Yep.
just drop us an email, support@cfrn.net, so
Yeah.
we can
I'll just find
get
it
you
and send
pointed
it.
in the right direction.
I'll just send it to you again. I have it. I'll just send it off again. All right, so to take our free trial, if you have not taken the free trial, put your name and your email address in here, click register for a free trial, and you'll be sent a confirmation link. You must click that confirmation link. All right, once you click that confirmation link, then we'll know that you signed up. All right, and we'll send you all the information you need to get into the live trading room and to do everything you need to do to participate in the live trading room and the free trial. All right, that is that. I'm going to send it to you right now, Mike. Okay. All right. All right, that's it. We can head out to Phoenix, I guess. That's the whole recap. I'll show you the spreadsheet again. Everybody who was on the free trial today will be getting the spreadsheet and the rule sheet with an email telling you how to become a partner today. Okay? At some point today, you'll be getting all that. Today we're at plus 18 on soybeans, plus 6 on the Russell, plus 3 on crude, plus 3 on gas, and minus 8 on gold. Okay? On the month, we're up $5,617.50 a contract in the live trading room. All right. That's it, guys. Did I shut the recorder?
All right, Mike.